Welcome to the Red Roof Inn Tallahassee East, a budget-friendly hotel in Tallahassee, Florida. You can expect to feel comfortable and relaxed during your stay with us. The hotel offers free Wi-Fi, parking, an outdoor pool, and coffee in the lobby. Room amenities include a refrigerator, microwave, coin laundry, business center, pets, stay free. One pet allowed, no larger than 80 pounds and more. Those who are looking for hotels near Tallahassee Automobile Museum often choose Red Roof Inn Tallahassee East. Located in Tallahassee, the Red Roof Inn Tallahassee East provides well-named and easy-to-remember accommodations. All types of travelers will benefit from this decision. Other area attractions include the Capital Regional Medical Center, New Capitol Building, and Florida State University. On your return to Tallahassee, you can enjoy delicious foods at Backwoods Crossing and Waffle House. Visit www.redroofintl.com